Gusto mo mag-stop ng tretinoin without breaking out? Ito ang gawin mo. Number 1, don't stop agad-agad. So gradual dapat from every day, tapos naging every other day, then 2 to 3 times a week. Number 2, replace your maintenance tretinoin with other actives. Hindi pwedeng walang actives, guys. So pwede kayong gumamit ng potassium azelaic glycinate, azelaic acid, niacinamide, pero ang the best is a liposomal retinol, kagaya ng retinol 1% Defender Cream. And number 3, focus on your skin barrier. Gumamit ng skin barrier pair moisturizer na may ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol kagaya ng Hydrolock Light Moisturizer para ma-decrease ang risk ng rebound acne. According to studies, ang biglaang pag-stop ng tretinoin can cause relapse acne within weeks. Kaya ang tretinoin hindi basta-basta tinatanggal, tinitaper siya. If you have more questions about tretinoin or other topical retinoids, message me. For more skin tips from a board-certified dermatologist, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye-bye!